Each rice grain begins with carefully controlled seed preparation and moisture. Record this batch at 96%. Healthy seedlings establish strong roots before entering flooded production fields. The roots are ready for transplanting. Level fields distribute irrigation evenly across every developing rice plant. Depth is holding at 3 inches. Precise water management supports growth while suppressing competing field weeds.
Keep the next tray lined up straight.
Veteran growers inspect plant color to identify early nutrient deficiencies. This section needs another nitrogen check. Warm sunlight and shallow water create ideal conditions for tillering.
This block is averaging 20 strong tillers.
Weather stations guide irrigation decisions throughout the entire growing season.
Rain is coming, so delay tomorrow's watering.
Each panicle carries dozens of grains protected by tough outer hulls.
Flowering looks uniform across this row.
Maturing rice changes from bright green to harvest-ready golden brown. The east block should be ready next week. Tiny awns and husks protect kernels from insects and moisture. The hulls remain tight and undamaged. Grain moisture determines when combines can harvest without damaging kernels. Moisture is dropping right on schedule. Dense panicles bend naturally as kernels gain weight and maturity.
These heads are filling evenly.
Healthy roots anchor plants securely beneath soft, waterlogged paddy soil.
Root color looks healthy in this section.
Uniform grain size begins with consistent field conditions and careful management.
Uniformity is excellent across this block.
Experienced crews verify moisture readings before starting mechanical harvesting operations.
Moisture is approved. Begin on the north side.
Modern combines cut, thresh, and separate rice during one continuous pass. Header speed is steady at 4 miles per hour. Skilled operators adjust header height to reduce grain loss dramatically.
Raise the header 2 inches along this edge.
Harvested paddy collects inside the combine before unloading into carts.
Tank is 70%. Bring the cart alongside.
Field teams gather remaining grain carefully from difficult field edges.
Collect every full panicle along this ditch.
Freshly harvested paddy moves quickly to drying and collection stations.
First cart is full. Proceed to receiving.
Fresh paddy reaches field collection points for initial sorting and recording.
Log this delivery under Field Block 8.
Workers remove oversized straw before grain enter temporary holding bins.
Clear that long straw before it reaches the belt.
Careful lot identification preserves traceability from field through final packaging. Lot 8A matches the field record. Portable screens separate loose chaff from freshly harvested paddy grain.
Increase airflow slightly. The grain is staying stable.
Separate holding bins prevent different rice varieties from mixing together.
Keep these two varieties completely separated.
Mobile conveyors transfer paddy efficiently while minimizing spills and kernel damage.
Move the stream forward another 2 feet.
Balanced trailer loading improves vehicle stability during highway transportation operations.
Center axle is balanced. Finish the rear compartment.
Secure doors and liners protect grain from loss and contamination.
The gasket is clean. Apply the numbered seal.
Protective tarps shield harvested paddy from weather throughout the journey. Cover is secure from front to rear. Final documentation confirms load identity, weight condition, and destination details.
Seal number confirmed. You are cleared to depart.
Covered trucks carry each documented lot toward the modern rice mill.
Departing Field Station 8 for the mill. Scheduled routes coordinate farm deliveries with the mill receiving department. 2 field loads approaching the receiving gate. Every arriving shipment passes security verification before entering mill operations.
Seal verified. Proceed directly to scale 3.
Receiving coordinators direct each truck toward assigned scales and unloading bays.
Straight ahead, then stop at the red light.
Certified weighbridges record each truck's gross weight before unloading begins.
All axles are centered. Capture the weight.
Automated probes collect representative grain samples from several trailer locations.
Take the final sample from the rear compartment.
Laboratory analysts measure moisture, impurities, damage, and overall grain condition.
Foreign material remains below the receiving limit.
Inspectors identify immature, cracked, stained, or insect-damaged paddy kernels. Damage is minimal and evenly distributed. Approved loads proceed toward unloading after weight and quality verification.
Lot 8A is approved for Bay 2.
The receiving pit begins continuous cleaning as approved paddy enters production. Open slowly and maintain the approved discharge rate. Powerful magnets remove stray metal before grain reaches delicate machinery. The magnet caught everything before the first screen. Rotating screens separate oversized debris from uniformly sized paddy kernels.
Oversized discharge is clear and flowing normally.
Air classifiers lift dust and light husks away from grain.
Airflow is stable without lifting full kernels.
Destoners isolate heavy stones using vibration and precisely controlled airflow. Heavy material is separating cleanly at this setting. Multiple cleaning stages protect equipment and improve final rice purity. All cleaning stages are operating within specification. Clean paddy passes through aspiration channels before temporary buffer storage. Final aspiration is removing only the light fraction. Buffer bins regulate grain flow throughout the continuous processing line. Bin 4 is feeding the line at target rate.
Operators inspect cleaned paddy before releasing it toward conditioning equipment.
The cleaned lot meets the release standard. Controlled preparation creates consistent conditions for efficient husking and milling. Moisture is even. Release this batch to husking. Rubber roll huskers remove protective hulls without crushing valuable kernels.
Pressure is stable and breakage remains low.
Careful pressure settings maximize husking efficiency while limiting grain breakage.
The new gap improved husking without increasing cracks.
Separated hulls become useful fuel and agricultural byproducts for facilities. Hull recovery is clean with no visible grain loss. Paddy separators return unhusked grains for another gentle husking pass.
The return stream contains only unhusked paddy.
Brown rice retains nutritious bran layers after the hull is removed.
The bran layer is intact across this sample.
Precision machines remove bran gradually to produce bright white rice. First pass pressure is holding within the safe range. Multiple whitening passes balance appearance, nutrition, yield, and kernel strength. Reduce final pressure slightly to protect whole kernels. Rice polishers smooth kernel surfaces using gentle friction and controlled moisture.
Surface finish is even, and the kernels remain separate.
Grading screens separate whole kernels from broken rice by size. Whole kernel flow is uniform across the top deck. Primary milling transforms cleaned paddy into carefully graded market-ready rice. Primary milling is stable. Release whole rice to optical sorting. Secondary whitening removes remaining bran while preserving whole kernel strength.
The surface is clean and breakage remains within target.
Controlled cooling prevents heat stress after intensive milling and polishing. Outlet temperature is stable across the entire bed. Fine sifters remove residual bran particles from polished white rice. The fine fraction is clean with no whole kernels.
Even feed distribution prepares every kernel for precise optical inspection.
All inspection lanes are evenly loaded now. High-speed cameras detect color defects invisible during mechanical grading operations. Sensitivity is set to reject true discoloration only. Air jets remove stained kernels within fractions of a second.
Ejector timing is centered on every defect.
Sensitive metal detectors protect consumers from microscopic metallic contamination risks. Challenge test passed. Return the line to production. X-ray inspection identifies dense foreign objects hidden inside flowing rice.
The system removed one small stone fragment. Length graders separate premium kernels from shorter broken pieces accurately.
Premium length is separating cleanly from short pieces. Thickness grading removes underdeveloped kernels that reduce cooking consistency quality. Thin kernels are separating without losing premium product. Broken rice is separated for other food and industrial applications. Premium whole rice remains on the central line. Blending silos combine approved streams into uniform commercial rice lots. Both silos match the approved premium specification. Automated recipes maintain consistent grain size, appearance, and cooking performance.
The blend matches today's approved production order.
Gentle air cleaning removes final dust before premium rice storage.
The final dust fraction contains no usable kernels.
Conditioning bins equalize temperature and moisture throughout each finished batch.
Center and outer temperatures are nearly identical.
A second optical pass confirms every premium kernel meets standards.
Final reject rate remains exceptionally low.
Machine vision measures shape, whiteness, and surface defects continuously online. Dimensions remain centered within the premium specification.
Density separation removes chalky kernels with weak internal structure efficiently.
The chalky fraction is separating clearly from dense kernels. Final magnets capture stray metal before rice enters finished storage. Final magnet inspection is complete and verified. Premium rice exits advanced processing clean, uniform, and fully packaging ready. Advanced processing is complete. Release the lot for final quality control. Final polishing removes remaining surface residue before detailed quality inspection begins.
The finished surface is clean and completely dry.
Precision graders verify kernel dimensions before technicians approve premium classification.
Premium dimensions remain centered within specification.
Finished rice rests briefly to stabilize moisture and product temperature.
Temperature and moisture are now fully stabilized.
Final blending creates uniform appearance, cooking behavior, and package consistency. All blend proportions match the approved recipe. Approved rice enters quality control after every processing stage concludes.
Processing is complete. Begin final quality inspection.
Veteran inspectors examine rice color, shape, cleanliness, and overall uniformity.
Color and shape are highly uniform throughout this sample.
Manual sampling confirms automated systems are maintaining consistent premium standards.
Manual results match the online system closely.
Inspectors separate broken kernels to calculate the whole grain percentage accurately. This piece falls below the whole kernel standard. Careful visual checks identify discoloration, chalkiness, cracks, and surface damage.
Total visual defects remain below the premium threshold.
Standard reference samples help inspectors judge appearance consistently between production lots. Today's sample matches the certified premium reference. Cooking tests reveal texture, aroma, separation, and water absorption characteristics.
The grains absorbed water evenly and remain separate.
Elderly specialists compare cooked grains for softness and individual kernel separation.
The cooked kernels are soft but clearly separated.
Retained samples preserve evidence from every finished production lot processed. Lot 8A is sealed and correctly archived. Quality teams review complete records before authorizing final product release.
All production and inspection records are complete.
Rejected material remains isolated while specialists investigate the underlying cause. Accepted products stayed isolated from this rejected fraction. Laboratories measure rice moisture using calibrated instruments and controlled procedures. Laboratory moisture confirms the production sensor reading. Chemical analysis confirms protein, starch, fat, and mineral composition accurately. Composition results match the approved long-grain profile. Microbiology testing verifies finished rice meets strict food safety requirements consistently.
Controls and production samples are correctly identified.
Specialized instruments evaluate whiteness, translucency, and chalkiness across representative samples. Whiteness and translucency meet the premium range. Laboratory approval completes testing before rice advances toward final refinement.
All results pass. Release Lot 8A for refinement.
Final refinement removes subtle imperfections before rice enters packaging operations. The premium stream is clean and stable. All outlet readings are within 1 degree.
Controlled airflow cools refined rice and preserves stable moisture levels.
Sanitary blending ensures every package receives uniform premium rice quality. The packaging blend matches the approved profile. Final visual verification confirms brightness, shape, and kernel consistency standards.
Appearance remains consistent across the entire run.
Approved rice moves through sealed lines toward automated packaging equipment.
Line 1 is sanitized and cleared to start.
Automated fillers measure exact rice quantities for every retail package. Bag alignment is centered beneath the fill spout.
Vibratory feeders maintain steady product flow above precision weighing systems. All channels are balanced at the target rate. Multi-head weighers combine measured portions to reach exact target weights. Combination weight is centered within the approved tolerance. Food-grade bags open automatically before receiving each measured rice portion.
The bag mouth is fully open and centered.
Dust extraction keeps filling stations clean during continuous packaging operations.
The enclosure remains clean throughout the filling cycle.
Operators verify fill weights and bag alignment throughout production runs.
Straighten this top before it reaches the sealer.
Check weighers reject underfilled or overweight bags before sealing begins automatically. Challenge test passed. Resume normal production flow. Heat sealing creates strong closures that protect rice from contamination.
The seal is clean with no trapped kernels.
Seal inspectors test closure strength and identify tiny channel leaks.
Seal strength and leak testing both pass. Printed labels display product identity, nutrition, weight, and cooking instructions. Nutrition facts and cooking instructions are fully visible.
Date coders mark every bag with traceable production information clearly.
Lot and best by codes match the production record.
Vision systems confirm label position, barcode quality, and code accuracy. Test defect detected. Production packages remain correctly aligned. Metal detection protects sealed packages before they enter secondary packaging. Challenge test passed at the required sensitivity.
Robotic packers arrange finished rice bags inside sturdy shipping cartons.
Case count and bag orientation are correct. Carton sealers secure cases, while printers apply distribution tracking labels. Case label matches the packaged lot exactly. Automated palletizers build stable loads for safe warehouse handling operations. Layer pattern is correct, and labels face outward.
Stretch wrapping protects stacked cartons from moisture, dust, and movement. Wrap tension is firm without compressing the cartons.
Pallet labels connect every shipping unit to complete production records.
Pallet ID matches the released production lot.
Finished pallets pass final inspection before entering warehouse storage lanes. Weight, dimensions, and wrap integrity all pass. Forklifts transfer approved rice pallets toward climate-controlled warehouse storage areas.
Route is clear. Proceed into Warehouse Zone 3.
Warehouse systems assign every pallet a precise digital storage location. Store this pallet in Zone 3, Bay 14. Temperature and humidity monitoring preserves rice quality during extended storage.
All storage zones remain within the approved range.
Veteran workers inspect pallet condition throughout scheduled warehouse inventory rounds. Rewrap this loose corner before the pallet ships. Automated inventory scans maintain accurate counts and lot traceability continuously.
Physical location confirmed. Updating the digital record now.
Careful stock rotation keeps earlier production lots moving toward shipment first. Pick the earliest approved lot for this order. Warehouse sanitation prevents pests, moisture, and contamination near finished products. No activity, moisture, or product spillage is present. Order systems select exact pallet quantities for each customer shipment. Release 6 matching pallets to outbound staging. Shipping teams verify orders before pallets enter outbound staging lanes.
This pallet belongs to another order. Move it aside. Dock workers secure pallets carefully inside clean food-grade transport trailers. Clearance is good. Place it against the front restraint.
Load planners balance trailer weight to improve stability during transportation. Move the next pallet rearward to balance the axles.
Security seals protect finished rice shipments throughout the delivery journey. Seal number confirmed and recorded for dispatch.
Electronic shipping documents connect each load with customer delivery requirements. Documents match the sealed load. Release the shipment.
Distribution trucks carry premium rice toward regional grocery distribution centers.
Delivery appointment remains confirmed at the regional center. Retail warehouses receive documented rice shipments for store-level order fulfillment. Seal and pallet count match the advance notice. Premium rice finally reaches consumers after a fully traceable journey. This shipment arrived fresh from our regional center.